Although RailVision is still an early-stage company and its stock price has struggled, some investors still stay on board, while others keep watching. Especially in the last few months, when dramatic developments kept it on track after it faced the possibility of being derailed. See what forces have been acting on this train tech and what to watch out for in the near future. Starting on the wrong side of the railroad tracks, this developer of AI detection systems for railway safety was granted an additional 180-day extension by NASDAQ to meet the minimum $1 bid price requirement for continued listing on September 3, 2025. That means RailVision now has until March 2, 2026 to meet the bid price criteria. NASDAQ granted the extension due to RailVision meeting other listing requirements but missing the bid price rule. The company plans to address the issue, possibly through a reverse share split. If the stock achieves a $1 bid price for at least 10 consecutive business days before the deadline, it will regain compliance. Shortly after, RailVision stock drew in millions in volume for a brief spike towards $1 after it signed a non-binding term sheet to acquire a 51% stake in Quantum Transportation Limited at the beginning of October. This move captivated market attention because Quantum Transportation specializes in quantum computing and AI-based error correction technologies. Acquiring Quantum Transportation would combine RailVision's existing vision and safety technologies in anomaly detection, predictive maintenance, and autonomous rail operations with Quantum Transportation's quantum AI capabilities, which is expected to increase railway safety even more. Specifically, Quantum Transportation holds an exclusive sublicense for rail technologies related to a pending patent for quantum error correction, developed in collaboration with Tel Aviv University. This technology addresses challenges in quantum computing by enabling real-time decoding of surface code errors, a crucial advancement for scalable quantum computing. This acquisition is expected to close in January 2026 and would involve RailVision issuing shares representing approximately 4.99% of its capital to Quantum Transportation's shareholders in exchange for their full holdings, securing majority control. Additionally, RailVision will extend a convertible loan of up to $700,000 at an 8% annual interest rate, repayable within 24 months. The loan may be converted into Quantum Transportation's most senior shares at RailVision's discretion. On top of that, RailVision later onboarded more optimism by receiving a European patent for its railway collision avoidance system, which combines electro-optical imaging and deep learning to detect railway hazards. The patented technology uses convolutional neural networks to analyze railway paths and detect obstacles in real time, such as railway switches, obstructions, and end-of-rail conditions, enabling the system to generate safety alerts for train operators or autonomous systems. The technology supports both manned and autonomous train operations, providing decision support for locomotive drivers in manual operations and enabling automated decision-making for driverless trains. It enhances safety by identifying multiple types of railway hazards through its dual neural network approach. And through multispectral forward-looking imaging and advanced scene analysis, it offers a comprehensive understanding of the railway environment. This European patent adds to RailVision's growing intellectual property portfolio, which already includes patents granted in the United States, Japan, and India. Looking ahead, attention will be drawn to CES 2026, where RailVision will showcase its railway safety technologies through a presentation by Israel Railways, one of its long-standing customers. The demonstration will take place at the Israel National Pavilion, where Israel Railways will highlight rail technologies currently deployed across its national network. Demonstrations will show how RailVision's AI-based detection and safety systems function in real-world use by identifying obstacles. David Ben David, CEO of RailVision, will attend CES 2026 and be available at the Israel Railways booth to discuss the company's solutions and engage with potential partners, raising positivity about the presentation's potential to increase RailVision's visibility and credibility in the global railway safety market. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.